Welcome to Coin Fabric's Learning to Scout series on Substrate, Polkadot's Rust framework for building modular and extensible blockchains. Today, we'll explore an issue known as avoid dispatch error other. Proper error handling is crucial in blockchain development. In Substrate, dispatch error is an enum that represents errors that can occur when dispatching a transaction or calling a runtime module, also known as an extrinsic. It includes variants like module, token, and arithmetic, which indicate specific error types. However, there is also an other variant for generic errors that don't fit into any category. Overusing this variant makes error monitoring and debugging difficult, preventing efficient troubleshooting and code improvement. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how dispatch error other generates a vague error message that doesn't clearly identify the problem. This generic error handling makes it harder for developers to debug and resolve issues efficiently. Let's run Scout on this code. For the sake of simplicity, we'll use the filter flag to run only the Scout detector related to this issue. The warning related to dispatch error other appears, highlighting the issue. To improve error handling, use a specific error variant defined in your palette. This makes the error more descriptive and tied to a well-defined category, allowing developers to pinpoint and resolve issues more efficiently. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description to learn more about Scout. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.